In the heart of the Fiesta, Texas theme park in San Antonio, nestled beneath the Superman roller coaster lies a tranquil pond, but behind the scenes, an incredible transformation is underway where engineering meets nature to create something extraordinary. Meet the dedicated team of experts of American Underwater Services, armed with heavy machinery and a vision for rejuvenating this aquatic oasis. Their mission: to perform a meticulous dredging process, not just for aesthetics, but also for the park's functionality.
We're going to dredge out these streams with our 6-inch dredge. He's going to work his way out, and we're going to get a good radius around these screens so when they turn their pumps back on, they can suction properly.
Okay. With precision and care, the diver gets into the water, performing a delicate dance. Clearing away layers of sediment, fallen leaves and debris, they reveal the pond's hidden beauty, a specialized filtration bag, a marvel of engineering that acts as a guardian between debris and clear water. Fish in the pond are carefully looked after during the dredging process. This bag, akin to a high-tech filter, allows water to flow through while trapping debris within its confines. But it's not as simple as it sounds. The bag, although efficient, requires constant attention. Pushing and prodding. The debris doesn't clog up the bag's intricate pores. It's a dance of patience and precision, where every nudge safeguards the purity of the water flowing through. This meticulous process ensures that the water, now separated from the debris, the team maintains a delicate balance, ensuring the well-being of the resident flora and fauna. The pond is not just a picturesque feature, it's a vital source. You see, this pond isn't just a scenic spot, it's the lifeblood of the park. Its crystal clear waters are pumped to create the mesmerizing Maine waterfalls that enchant visitors throughout the day. As the sun sets on the Fiesta, Texas theme park, the once murky pond now sparkles, reflecting the excitement of the roller coasters above. It's a testament to the harmony between human ingenuity and nature's beauty, where dredging has not just revitalized a pond, but also enhanced the entire park experience. Discover the power of dredging and unlock the potential of your aquatic spaces. Contact us today for a consultation, and let's create a cleaner, healthier environment together. Dive into a brighter aquatic future now.